Okay guys, just documenting. Today is the what you call it? This SK Automotive tires. Today is what you call it, 23rd. And look guys, this is the one that they replaced for my handle for my car. And look at the two. Ooh, it's different. Look, I'll show you this one. It's not the same like this one. See, it's not the same. Hi, another sabotage because it's a second hand, guys. Anyway, it doesn't matter. look the difference. Unbelievable. Anyways, it's okay. So anyways guys, it's another sabotage, but I really don't care. It's like it's not matching it doesn't match the original door handle of my car. What you call that? Because they called me yesterday and I said yes anyway, that I will go for the second hand. So that is a second hand, and obviously second hand I thought it's gonna be the same, but it's not the same. Anyways, I'm used to it, dear handlers, so have it your way, okay? Okay, guys, and also this morning, every morning since on my day off on Friday, since Friday morning up today, today is Wednesday. Every morning, every time I get up 7 or 8 a.m., I get induced drowsiness and nausea. And today, oh my God, I thought I'm gonna pass out. You know, it's very strong frequency induced drowsiness while I was cleaning today at Ribsby. And then when I finished my cleaning the upstairs, I went downstairs. And then exactly, I vomited downstairs. I vomited like, like, 3 times like that. Oh. 3 times. It's very coded, guys. It's the same thing. It's the same thing when they did my look. It's gone now. It's the same thing when they did my itchiness. It's 3 layers itchiness in my say hello. I'm vlogging. By the way, it's second hand, so it's okay because it's not the same as the other one.
The party's key strength, but also its
It's
greatest
not.
weakness. As you say, that they've been
It doesn't matter. It's not the same. See, the one has the 2 lines.
Want to join the party, want to
Yeah,
stand
and
for
the other
party,
one hasn't
and
got.
she is absolutely
Yeah.
central to their brand. I mean, when you think One Nation, you think Pauline
Huh?
Hanson, right?
We can't say anything.
But
For the
her
driver, one
leadership
handle is
style,
different.
her kind of
no,
abrasive,
it should be the
approach to managing
same.
her
It
parliamentary
should be the
colleagues, if we
same.
can take the word
It
of
should be
those
the
former
same.
parliamentary colleagues
By
at
the
face
way,
But I
value,
don't really care anyway. It's an
the
old
biggest
car, so
handbrake on One
yeah.
Nation's
I hope
success
you like our
or
services.
capacity
If
to
you don't
translate
like it, give us
polling spikes into
Oh
seats.
no, if I'm gonna give you a
As you
review,
noted
it's
earlier,
not good
One
because
Nation
of
really it doesn't lose its elected members.
because this
to
one, look, it's not the
a
same
vote.
as the.
It loses
It's
them
not
because
the
they
same as
split with the party
the one
because
in.
of
Did you see the
disagreement with Hanson
difference?
every single time. It's not
Yeah.
policy.
Maybe
Well,
after
sometimes
my
it is policy,
September,
sometimes it is policy
I will. After that one,
disagreements
I
or
will give.
disagreements on
you.
negotiations
Yeah?
on policy in
I hope you will
Parliament.
not
But Brian
sabotage me,
Burston
eh?
famously was being pushed by
Okay,
Hanson
thank
to
you,
vote in one
thanks.
direction, but
Yeah,
he
see
said
ya.
he made a
Bye-bye.
handshake agreement with the
Anyway,
then Liberal
guys,
government
so,
to vote a different direction. And he said
okay,
his
that's the
handshake was
receptionist. I
his
forgot her
word
name.
or his
So,
sort of honour, and so he split with Hanson over that one.
hang on. I was doing. How come it went to AM? So, guys, just to continue my vlog. What you call this one? Yeah, the vomiting 3 times. Whoa. And it's the same. This one 3 layers because I'm their guinea pig with their evil technology. So, guys, this is a message not only to the minions and sheeples that are following my Facebook. If you are experiencing headache every day, every night, and it doesn't stop for 5 to 6 hours, and it's every week, constant, guys, it's not because you are having a migraine, because their evil technology can mimic all of these symptoms, all of this headache, nausea, everything. once they have your brain frequency, and most of you, by the way, perps and minions, you don't know you are also mind controlled without your knowledge, to be honest. Anyways, that's all the update. And okay, before I forget, I was thinking actually of doing this on a separate like at home, like to update also to my handler. Thank you, dear handler, by the way. I got twice income tax return. Maybe the Hive Mind team are, what you call it, are testing me if what I'm going to do about it. Well, the other income tax return, that's not even enough to compensate, because I'm your guinea pig with all of the sabotage you've done in my life, psychological and physical harassment, everything. That's not even enough. So I consider that, dear handler, as my bonus for my income tax. And besides, my $3,000 to $5,000 superannuation when I was doing my cleaning job with International Hotel Service, the cleaning agency, I did not get it, okay? I lost that superannuation. Okay, that's all, and signing off, guys. And this is Pearly Gardner, Targeted Individual Australia. Follow my YouTube channel, Pearly Gardner, Targeted Individual Australia, and a call for an uprising, guys, for all of you sheeples who thinks you are part of the team, part of the secret society. You're not part. You're part of the plan to be depopulated. And globalgestapo.com for all the targeted individuals, and also the fullertoninformer.com for 5G silent weapon, so you know about 5G. Educate yourselves. Signing off. Bye for now.